everybody, it's that techie guy here, and I just wanted to show off that I got the Super Nintendo Classic running on the studio display. It's working great. I'm playing some Mario here. A little footage. I have the NES Classic as well, but for some reason I could not get that one running. I tried everything I could think of, different cables, different power, nothing would work. Here I'm just gonna fly through this world. I'm not an epic gamer or anything, but I played a couple of Super Mario Worlds in my day. Oh yeah. But yeah, visual proof of it working on the studio display. Show it to you here. There's it plugged in. There's a mess of wires behind it from me troubleshooting everything with the Nintendo Classic. But yeah, it's working good. Sound comes out perfect. It looks crystal clear. It's actually being upscaled to 4K, so that's pretty cool, I thought. And then upscaled again to 5K to fit on the studio display. So the little sync adapter is pretty awesome. Unfortunately, it looks like they're out of stock right now. If you wanted to pick one up, they only have the small slim version, which I have. I actually bought 2 of them because the first one wasn't working and I thought it was an issue with the adapter I bought, so I bought another one, and it turns out it's just the small slim design does not like the studio display, unfortunately. I was trying to save $100, but nope. Have to buy the $150 one here. Come on, die, big boy. I remember this guy being easier than this. Oh, son of a gun. Come on, man. Let me know what else you guys want to see here. I'll try to get it working if I can. As always, have a great one. I'll see you guys in the next video.